Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll be giving you a very quick guide on how you can back up documents in Zoho Books. This is useful for securing your financial data and keeping a safe copy in case of emergencies. So once you've logged into your Zoho Books account, you will just have to click Settings, which is right here. And once you're here, what you will have to do is you will look or search for data backup. So just go ahead and click that. And yeah, so what you will have to do is you should choose the documents to back up, and then including the invoices, bills, and attachments. But of course, you do have to make sure that you already have your documents so that you will be able to actually have something to back up in the first place. And yeah, once you see your document or your desired document, you will just have to click the download backup, and then Zoho Books will generate a zip file containing all selected documents. And of course, you can save locally or cloud. You will just have to save the zip file to your computer or cloud storage. And by verifying the backup, you will open your zip to ensure that all documents are included and readable. And yeah, that's how you can back up your documents in Zoho Books for secure record keeping. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope to see you in the next one. Have an amazing day.